What's up, social media? I'm WorthyWayne1. Not only am I one of the best producers you can tap in with, but I love to cook. And here's all the ingredients you need to make a good breakfast. You are listening to a beat I made. That beat name is Midnight. You can check that out on my YouTube. Let's get it. You can also like, comment, subscribe. Also, always tap in on all social media platforms at WorthyWayne1, aka Hey DW. What's good, man? Let's cook. I also provide recording services. So, if you're an artist out there, you're looking for an engineer, you from Chicago, definitely tap in. Try to get my name out there, And it's a good way, start putting my name out there. And y'all see how a real cook do things, I'm definitely gonna be dropping some more content as far as like in the studio, rocking out, trying to do things with a lot of artists in the city. Y'all gonna see. But yeah, man, that's some of the best syrup you can get. And I don't care if somebody wanna argue about it. So you always wanna make sure your skillet hot. So right now you see me preparing, make sure that skillet is nice and, that cast iron nice and hot. So I'm gonna stir that thing up. Whip it. Make sure you got some decent consistency on your pancake mix. You don't want it too runny. Yeah, so you're gonna cook them pancakes. Make sure they get nice and fluffy, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you see the bubbles get through nice and all the way around the surface of that pancake. And then they almost ready to get flipped because we want those crispy edges, YouTube, TikTok. Your pancake should come out looking a certain type of way, like this. If they don't come out looking like this, you had your skillet up too high, or you wasn't watching. Either way, guess what? You fucked up. But yeah, check them out. And now we're gonna start cooking our meat, So you probably gonna let your meat cook for probably like 5 minutes, Let it get nice and crispy. Don't overcook it, because if you do, it's gonna get hard. You ain't gonna like it. Check it out. Yeah, so we gonna complete that breakfast, with these eggs, Gonna definitely crack you a couple eggs, Add you a little salt, pepper, There ain't no eggs complete without some cheese in them joints, Just add you a little bit of cheese, you know what I'm saying, like a half a cup of milk, you good. Your eggs should be on point. And then, man, it's almost time to eat. Yeah, so next up, we gonna be cooking them eggs, people. You know, you wanna make sure your skillet nice and hot. Definitely wanna make sure your eggs able to cook fast, you know what I'm saying? And you don't wanna burn them. Don't nobody like burnt eggs, especially not me. But, yep, what you gotta do is make sure you get every piece of cheese that you did cut up or whatever, however you do it. Me, I just drop the cheese in, you know what I'm saying? And I go from there. So you want to make sure you stir your eggs occasionally. You don't want to stir them too much because you want to give them some time to cook. But yeah, you see it. You know what I'm saying? That cheese melting real good. The joints looking nice. So the eggs almost done. You know what I'm saying? You gonna wanna cut your fire off, let the eggs sit, top them joints off with some black pepper, you know? Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get some color, you know? Last but not least, we gonna work on that syrup, man. You know what I'm saying? That's what you're gonna need. You gonna, you know what I'm saying, make you a nice little blend of that. So now I'm gonna show you how what you know what I'm saying, gonna do with that thing. So first you're gonna cut you off of probably like a quarter stick of butter, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna cut that thing off, put that up in there, you know. Make sure you put that butter back in the refrigerator too, you know what I'm saying? You don't wanna get that soft. But then next, we gonna be putting some brown sugar in that thing. You know, probably gonna do like a full teaspoon of that, you know what I'm saying? We don't wanna make it too sweet because we already gonna be putting syrup in that thing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's like a teaspoon of that. Then, you know what I'm saying, we gonna add like a cap of lemon juice, you know what I'm saying? You just want a little cap of that, not no lemon flavor, nothing like that, because that lemon flavor gonna take too much. It's gonna throw off the taste. You don't want that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you're gonna put like a cap of lemon juice in your mixture. You know what I'm saying? Bang, then we gonna add our syrup to the combination. You know what I'm saying? Ain't your mama, you know. Then we just gonna throw that thing in the microwave, let everything blend together. And you know what I'm saying? I usually put some honey in it, but I ain't had none, so that's what I'm working with, y'all. Bear with me, you know. But definitely wish y'all could taste it, because it's definitely a hit. Now the syrup should look like this when you get done with it, you know what I'm saying? Nice and ready to pour on your pancakes. Get it real ugly, you know what I'm saying? Smell it, you know, make sure it got that aroma to it. If you followed all my instructions, that's what your breakfast should look like when you get done, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how you eating, but you know I'm about to eat big bag style, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, just one of them worthy joints, and have fun cooking, man.